So anyway, I said the heck with it, and let's just do it. I got this from G1 AliExpress shop. A little blur for evidence. But after that, just so everything is on the up and up. Now I will use travel knifey as always. This is an unpack and a small review. I will also, oh come on, just when you try to do something fast, it doesn't work, you know. But you must power through. So empty. We must power through. Once again, the same package, which is to be expected. The PC version, only 12.2 grams if I'm not mistaken, which is incredibly light. As always, some close-ups. Now let's do it. Let's open it. Let's make sure everything is a little nice without the glare of the nylon packaging. So let's open it and see. Should be more of the same, I believe. CHENYU sticker, all the doohickeys, and this doodad also, another doohickey, and let's just see if everything is here. Yes, again, Buckyball screws, the little thing to make it a necklace, springs, and a little tool. Just put it away for a second. As always, put it here. So here it is before I'm opening it. I love the simplicity of a transparent PC. I've always said it. I'm a kid of the 90s, and I used to have that old telephone that was see-through. Very cool. Anyway, let's open it and see how it is with you for the first time, as always. So, the mandatory close-up. It has, I don't know if you can see, but it does have the Syntony on it and the CHENYU, but because of the material, it's hard to see it through the lens of my camera, my phone actually. So let's try it. I just love PC, man. Can absolutely go nuts. I'm going to do a comparison video also, don't worry, of all three of them. This is just, you know, I like to do a little review of everything for the record, to give people a little taste of what it is to actually have the fidget if they want it. This one cost me like $24. It was a joke, man. Feels absolutely solid, just like the stainless steel and the zirc. Of course, way lighter, way lighter. 12 grams is probably it. Again, I will recommend it. It's a great piece that as a collector, I enjoy having. If you need a lighter fidget to EDC, absolutely an option. I love the sound. So, a little review, as I always like, combined with a little unpack video. Hope you enjoyed it. Very, very, very cool little fidget to have, to add to the collection. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one, hopefully. Goodbye.